Hello everyone, we are going to check out chapter number 5th, The Strange Medicine. And before we start the lesson, let's learn the new words or hard words. Advice, suggestion about what you think someone should do. Alternative, a thing that you choose out of two or more. Announcement, a spoken or written statement in that informs people about something. Attendants, persons whose job is to assist. Chewed, broke food between your teeth as a part of eating. Condition, the state of somebody's health. Cures, makes a person or an animal healthy after illness. Encourages, gives support to someone to make him or her confident about doing something. Importance, how important someone or something is. Incident, something that happens. Instructions, information that explains how to do or use something. In toto, completely. Movement, an act of moving the body or the part of the body. Ordinary, not unusual or different in any way. Particular, used to talk about one thing or person. Performed, carried out an action or task. Physician, doctor, especially one who is a specialist in general medicine and not surgery. Proclaimer, a person who publicly tells people about something important. Reward, a thing that you are given because you have done something good. Saluting, touch the side of the head as a sign of respect. Surprise, something that is unexpected to happen. Understand, knows something. Chapter 5th, The Strange Medicine. We all know how important exercise is for our health. Still, we ignore it. Here is a story of a king who stopped every possible movement of his body and just rested the whole day. Find out what happens to him. So, dear students, here we have a story of the king who was not doing exercise, who was just sleeping or just resting for the whole day, and what happens to him the whole story is about. So let's check out the story. The royal proclaimer beats the old tom-tom to make an important announcement. The king is ill. The person who cures him will get a reward. So here we have proclaimer who was speaking in publicly and who is announcing all the time in the public. He has announced that our king is ill, and if is there any person who can cure our king, we will give him reward. Why such an announcement? Of course, there is a reason for it. The king of Samaipur is ill. It is not at all an ordinary illness. It is an illness, the medicine for which is not even known to the royal physician. Owing to this illness, the king has become not thin but fat. So in this paragraph we can understand that why the announcement has happened. Of course, there was a reason behind it. The king of Samaipur was ill, and there is not an ordinary illness, there is an illness that the king has become not thin but fat, so they need the medicine, or they need some person or a person who cures our king. They want a doctor or a person who can cure the king, as the royal physician also cannot help or cannot cure the king. So that is why they want a person who can cure the king's illness. Now the king can only sit when he is made to sit by the royal attendants, and can lie down when he is helped to do so. The question of walking does not arise at all. It is by overeating and not exercising that the king has earned his present physical condition. So in this paragraph we can understand that now only king can sit only, and he is made to sit by the royal attendants, and he can lay down when other person can help him to lay down. So this is a question of our king's condition, that because of not doing too much exercise and because of overeating, our king was becoming fatty and fatty. And right now there is no question or rise of king's walking. Beating the tom-tom and making announcements were done earlier too, but nothing happened. Physicians came and went, taking away fat fish. So as early they have already announced, but nothing has happened. Physicians are coming and they are taking only the fat fish, but nothing can cure the king.